Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be cooking beans. So here's my beans in this bowl, and the ingredients I'll be using to cook these delicious beans. Here I have onions, red, orange, yellow bell pepper or paprika. Here I have red oil. If you don't want to use red oil, or if you don't have red oil, you can use vegetable oil. Sometimes I cook my beans with vegetable oil, but today I have red oil, so I'm happy. Here I have salt, pepper, and seasoning cube. So people, let the cooking begin. To start with, I'm going to wash these beans. So I'll wash the beans and then transfer into my cooking pot. So you don't need to wash the beans so hard. So I'll take off this first water. And then I'll pour the second water. So these beans doesn't need so much washing, because if you wash it so hard, you might end up peeling the peels. So next I'll transfer into the cooking pot. Then I'll transfer everything into the cooking pot. Now I have the whole beans in this pot. Next I'll be adding water to cook the beans. So here's the much water I added to these beans. I'll be checking the beans from time to time, and if it requires more water, then I'll keep adding water until the beans is properly cooked. So at this point in time, I'm going to cover the pot, but I'll just stand by because I don't want the water to pour inside the gas. So people, let's carry out an experiment and check how many minutes or hours it will take these beans to cook. Let's stopwatch. Okay, so I'm going to set the stopwatch. So friends, at this point in time, 30 minutes later, the beans is already soft and I'm cooking on low heat. If you like your beans this way, it's okay. The beans is already soft. You can just add your ingredients however you want. For me, I like mashed beans, so I'm going to allow it to cook for some more minutes and then I'll match it in the pot. So I'll be adding salt to these beans. The beans is already soft, as you can see, but I will allow it to cook some more because I like my beans mashed. So I just added salt to the beans, and the reason is because I want the salt to go round the beans. So next I'll be adding pepper. Next I'll add seasoning cube. Forty minutes later, so the beans is cooked. So now I'll just match the beans together. The beans is fully cooked at this point in time. So people, at this point in time, this is my fried paprika, onions. I'm going to add it into the cooked beans. So if you want to fry it more than this, the choice is yours, but this is okay for me. Wow, like rock. Wow people, so this is our mashed beans. Wow, this is looking so yummy. I'm just going to allow it on the fire for a few seconds and then I'll turn off the gas cooker. So people, at this point in time, our beans is fully cooked. Here is our mashed beans. Thank you people for watching. So in less than 50 minutes we were able to cook delicious mashed beans. Thank you people for watching this video.